Hey everyone, this problem says to divide the polynomial by the monomial, and then we'll check the answer. The polynomial is in the numerator, 3 terms. The monomial, of course, is 6x cubed. To do a division like this, the first step is to take this one big fraction and to split it up into 3 separate fractions as follows. We take the first term over the denominator, so 24x to the 7th over 6x cubed, minus, because of that minus sign, second term, 18x to the 5th over the 6x cubed, and then minus again, because of that minus sign, 6x to the 4th over 6x cubed. Now how can we do that? Why is that valid? It may be easier to think about it going from here back to this. If I were to subtract these 3 fractions, notice they each have a common denominator, and if I add or subtract fractions with a common denominator, we just keep the common denominator and we subtract the numerators, which would lead us right back to this. So this is the same as this, it's just written out differently. And the reason for doing that is now it's safe to start canceling common factors. You don't want to cancel the common factors until you've separated each of these terms. So now 24 over 6 is 4. X to the 7th over x cubed. Remember, we're dividing here, so those exponents get subtracted. 7 minus 3 would be 4, minus 18 divided by 6 would be 3. X to the 5th over x cubed would be x squared, minus, well, 6 over 6 is just 1. X to the 4th over x cubed would just be x. So that's the answer. Now, if we wanted to check this, remember how we check to see if we've done a division correctly. So, for example, if you had 32 divided by 8, we know the answer is 4, and we can check it by taking 8 times 4 and verifying that we do get 32. We can use the same idea here. We're going to notice that if we take 6x cubed times our proposed answer, we should get what's in the numerator. And it seems to work out. 6x cubed times 4x to the 4th. Well, 6 times 4 is 24. X cubed times x to the 4th would be x to the 7th. 6x cubed times 3x squared. It's going to be a negative, right? Because that's a negative. 18x to the 5th. And then 6x cubed times a negative x is a negative 6x to the 4th. So a quick check shows that that is indeed the correct answer.